This is a short tutorial on forearm stand Pincha Mayurasana. So I'll just give you a few poses that will help you warm up. So we'll start with some shoulder flossing, protracting and retracting through the shoulders and the upper back. Second pose is cat-cow, flowing between the two, warming up through the spine even more. Start to release your forearms down to your mat. Think of pressing your forearms down and in to engage through your pecs. So almost like the shoulder flossing, but really feeling that connection of your forearms to your mat. Start to make your way into puppy dog pose. Soften your heart to your mat, curl your palms forward, warming up through the shoulders, the armpits. High plank is a very important pose to engage through the core. Lift your hip points up to your rib cage. Downward facing dog. Soften your heels to your mat, open up through the backs of your legs. Start to drop your forearms down into Dolphin Pose. Send your gaze down in between your forearms and just play with tipping your weight forward. Maybe you lift one leg. Feel that inward rotation of your inner thigh rolling in and up. And slowly release. Just take a moment. Release through the shoulders. You can just stay with those exercises. You want to try to find some lift, some air. Come back into Dolphin Pose. So set up that preparation. Gaze is down. Come up to your toes on your supporting leg, then bend and straighten that leg for momentum. And if your toes are lifted up off of your mat, again, think of that inward rotation, inner thighs rolling in towards one another. Lift up out of your shoulders, pull your belly to your spine. And slowly release, child's pose. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment below on any other tutorials that would be helpful.